Welcome back to Fish Hunt Northwest. We're here in the kitchen with Chef Kelly, and we have some coho salmon.
Yes, coho salmon, the #1 salmon. Well, I mean, some people argue sockeye, but you know, whatever.
I think it's #1.
Yeah,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so we're gonna do a pan-seared coho salmon with a mango curry and a coconut rice. Pretty straightforward stuff.
All right.
Okay.
And you have the skin on?
Skin on my coho. Okay, so we're gonna start in on our mango curry first. Okay. Got our pan hot.
Nice and toasty.
Yep, that's about, I think, about half a teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds. Another half of a teaspoon of cumin seeds.
Okay. So you're toasting these?
Yes. And this is a hot pan already.
Wow.
Oof.
So what do you put them in there? What are you putting that in?
This is
that
just
a coffee grinder?
That is a coffee grinder. Yes. You caught me.
That's some spicy coffee. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I only use this one just for my spices.
Okay.
So.
All right. So, and of course, you wouldn't buy those already ground.
No, I
way.
don't like that. You know, it tends to hold the essential oils better.
Okay. And so why do you toast them first?
Let me check it out. Let me make sure.
Looks good.
Oh, those chilies are. We're toasting them, trying to get the essential oils out, you know, and there we go.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So we're trying to get those oils out to make sure it tastes as fresh as it possibly can. Put that back in the pan.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, so we're gonna add our serranos. I'm gonna do, that's probably 3 serranos worth. You can go a little heavier if you want. Got some sliced mangoes here. They were beautiful.
Yeah.
That's why I kind of picked this. About 4 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Oh, you didn't have that in mind yet?
Uh-huh. So you could also use palm sugar too. So let's bring that to a simmer.
And that was coconut milk.
Yeah, that was coconut milk. And this is my favorite brand here. And this is full fat. Now there's some, you know, low fat coconut milks out there, and they just don't have any flavor. I'm sorry.
Oh, really?
I mean, this is not an everyday meal, probably, you know, for everybody. So let's just, you know, let's use the full fat one and spend the extra money for the best brand you can.
Okay, no skimping on the coconut milk.
Don't skimp on the coconut milk.
No.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you have over here?
Okay. So we're just going to bring this to a boil here. Let this simmer away.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. While that is simmering away, we're gonna get that pan hot for our coho salmon. So we're going to, you know, when I refer to the coho salmon, when I'm seasoning fish, I'm gonna say this is gonna be the presentation side, and this is the skin side. So if you ever hear me say presentation side, this is what I mean right here, okay?
All right,
So,
I'll try to remember that.
so kosher salt. Kind of heavier because we're not gonna season the other side because it has the skin on it.
All right.
Okay.
Fresh ground pepper.
Fresh ground black pepper. And because we already have cumin in our dish already, we're going to reiterate it with a little bit of cumin too. All right. All right. So
Stir that up
our
for you.
pan's nice and hot. Hear a good sizzle on there.
Okay.
Get
Thank you.
that. And yeah. Don't forget about your sauce in the back.
I stirred it for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Got to earn my keep around here.
Okay, that's reducing pretty well. Got a nice little sear going on our fish.
Okay.
And we got our oven cranked up to 400 degrees.
400.
Ready to go, preheated, ready to go. Make sure you don't forget about that.
Okay.
This thickness of filet, I probably wouldn't try to do it all, totally on the stove.
Okay.
Because you'll get too much color, it'll start to burn too much. Okay? So,
Yeah, and we don't want that too done.
right. If it was just a tail piece, yes, absolutely.
Okay.
You can probably get away with that.
All right.
Okay, so we're just gonna throw this in the oven, let that finish the rest of the way. And that's typically how we would cook it in the restaurant, is that we would finish it in the oven.
Okay.
Okay.
So, and if you start it in a pan that you can throw in the oven, you can just obviously just throw it right in
Yeah,
there.
and of course we're kind of shooting for medium well. The salmon's, naturally has spring, has like a softness to it, and then as it gets more cooked, it'll start to get a little firmer and firmer. If it gets, hard like a rock, you overcooked it. You're done.
Okay, and isn't there like some white stuff
that's the
that comes
protein.
out if it's getting too done?
If you see white proteins coming out, you've already overcooked it. It's done. So it's,
So for that thickness, what do you think about?
let's start checking in around 5 or 6 minutes.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Well, then we have time to go ahead and throw it back to the guys in the studio. While we cook that up, Chef. Hey everyone, welcome back to the kitchen, and we're about to get that coho out of the oven.
Yes, coho salmon.
Okay.
If you're just joining us, we have the pan-seared coho in the oven, and we're going to finish up our mango curry sauce, and we're going to also finish up our coconut rice that goes with it.
All right.
Okay, let's check on our coho. Make sure we're not overcooking that sucker.
No white coming out of there?
No. I'm going to say the little carryover heat on the pan will get us right there. Okay. So let's finish our mango curry sauce.
Wow, look at the colors come through.
Right.
The mango just kind of
and
colors it all up.
It'll add a little more yellow once we start pureeing it too.
Okay.
Okay. That smells good.
Smell like cumin.
Yeah, a little bit cumin and all those fun spices in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to be adding some yogurt to it. This is plain old everyday yogurt.
Plain, no taste, no nothing.
Yeah.
I think it even says plain and simple.
Plain and simple, right?
Yeah.
We're going to add just a little bit of salt.
Okay.
This is primarily a sweet thing, but all things need a little bit of salt too. Even pastries need a little bit of salt.
Oh.
I mean, you've added a little bit of salt to your cookies, right?
Yeah, when I used to make them.
What do we got?
I should probably plug it in, Chef.
That helps.
I apologize.
There we go.
Okay.
We're gonna add a little cilantro too.
Okay. I love cilantro. I would probably add a little more, but Dwayne doesn't really like it.
Is he one of the same people that...
He's one of those that, you
it tastes
you
like
either
soap?
really like it or you don't like it at all. Yeah.
Oh, that's delicious.
I'll
Yeah,
take your word for it
for,
until I get to taste it.
For 3 Serranos, I would probably say that's like a little on the spicy side. So if you want to dumb it down, I would probably say one Serrano for your heat level if you don't like spicy food. Okay?
Okay. I like it spicy.
Right?
Yeah.
So if you put that in there,
I sure
I'm going to
will.
finish up the coconut rice. So I cooked some short grain rice here, or Calrose rice. I like this a lot. This is probably my #1 rice. Then I'm adding some toasted coconut. I use sweetened coconut because I think that there's more flavor in sweetened coconut.
So you toasted that this morning?
Yeah,
I think you might have burned a batch.
I don't know what you're talking about. So I added just a little bit of coconut milk too to try to give it a little bit of creaminess to it.
Hey, it's good to let everybody know that you burn stuff too.
Hey, I'm human, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, so you mixed it all in the rice.
Yes.
Yeah.
little bit of cilantro too. Good.
Looks good.
Okay, we're ready to plate.
Wow, that was quick.
Right?
Yeah.
A little bit of our coconut rice.
Always add so many colors and textures to your dishes.
Well, we also eat with our eyes too. Mm-hmm. Okay, our big, beautiful Coho salmon. Look at that.
Wow.
I know. I can't wait for Coho season. It's coming up soon. Okay, and our beautiful mango curry. We're gonna do a little bit on top. That. A little bit around.
Your little drizzle.
So what do you think on
amazing.
difficulty level, right? It's not that bad?
No, not at all, really. I mean, you just get the regular ingredients that you should have on hand anyway. As you say, the spices, there's no reason to not have them.
And there you go.
Do a little garnish.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
Here you go, guys. Hand-seared Coho salmon, coconut rice, mango curry.
So, grab our forks.
Yes, grab our forks.
Okay. And we'll throw it back to the guys in the studio. Maybe we'll leave them a little bit.
Maybe.
No,
That's a big maybe.
I don't think so today.